All right, so wacky or scary, the Ring Doorbell and Camera Company wants to put you in a new home. If you got ghosts, they'll give you $100,000 for down payment to get you a not-so-haunted house or whatever else you might want to keep the ghouls away. Their video contest ends the day after Halloween, so search your camera footage for spooky or silly footage for your chance at an escape worth $100,000.
I like that idea.
It's a great idea.
Get some evidence.
You know they're going to get a lot. Have a great night. Cold Bear starts now.